Hey everybody, and welcome back to the HobbyDude 007 channel. Got a few shop card shout outs to make and a surprise package. Stick around, let's take a look. First up, guys, is a shop card from my buddy Jeff Lawless at the Bearded Guy Jeff Lawless channel. Head over and check him out if you have not. Check that out. I love the grill there. That is so cool. He also was kind enough to send a sticker. And Jeff, it's going to go in. As you can see, I've got some other ones stuck around here. So I'll be finding a place. I'm going to be redoing the workbench here. Not too far down the road, so I'll probably hold it till then. But thank you so much for that. If you are not a subscriber, you've got to go over and check out this channel. He does some great work. I think he's over 500 subscribers now, so let's show him some love. Get over there and give him a sub and check out the videos. Guys, it is worth it. One of his last videos, he's been working on a 60 Ranchero, and I've got a couple of those kits, and he had the fender skirts on it, and I never have considered those, but man, this is, I think he's doing the psychedelic build that's going on right now. That's what he's doing. But his other videos, and let me tell you, I about jumped on the hog and headed his direction, but lo and behold, he already had a hog in the smoker. Man, some great stuff. Gumbo, I think he smoked a turkey. I mean, it's great stuff over there if you like to eat, and who doesn't? But the model work is just absolutely great. Got a great mind. He's funny. He's got it's a great channel. So head over and check him out. And next up is the Fat Man from Alabama, Don's Garage. Now, one of Don's last videos, he's working on a 40 sedan delivery, and if you remember mine, I love those AMT 40 kits. They're old, but they're classic. My dad had a 39 sedan that he raced. My uncles had four, and he also had a 40 coupe. And any of those 40s I love, and as you recall, I just finished my channel signature, I guess you'd call it a van, but the sedan delivery, the 40 sedan delivery, this past year, and he's working on one. I love the stance, and he showed how he made a homemade hinge for that back door, so go over and check him out. He's got some great work over there too. So head over and give Don a sub as well. Let's support this hobby by supporting one another. Can't go wrong. The more that algorithm with YouTube gets hit with model car stuff, the more it gets shown. And of course, this promotes the hobbies. I can't tell you how many people that I've heard from that were just going over YouTube and ran across something model cars and got back into the hobby. So, hey guys, that's what it's all about. Let's grow this hobby and let's help each other out. Next up, I got a package, and I'm going to back the camera off for this one a little bit, from my buddy, come on, Chris, and he had already sent me a little note that said, I'm going to be taking out hobby knife here, and I'll be using it safely as well, but this is kind of a get well, and thanks for the channel, and Chris, thank you so much. I appreciate the thought and the gift there. I don't know what it is, but we're going to all find out here in just a minute. So Chris, here we go. And I think this thing's still too close, isn't it? All right, let's see. Oh, we got something big here. That's a personal note. I'll read that. All right, what have we? Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, and there's a card in here. Oh, this is so cool. Let me get this box out of the way. Oh, man. Yeah, get that box out of the way. Oh, man. Chris, thank you, buddy. If you guys have never seen this kit, this was one of those limited editions that came out with the gold, like well, it's like chrome, but it's the gold body. And this was for the 50th anniversary of NASCAR. And, let's see what he's got here. To acquire wisdom, to the loved ones, people who cherish and understanding will prosper. Proverbs 19:8. Yes, indeed. Chris, thank you, buddy. I had one of these years ago, and I opened it. I was going to just basically do it out of box as a shelf model because of the 50th anniversary. And the body was warped so bad that I couldn't do it. And, of course, where I bought it had been in the heat anyway. So, but thank you, man. And, you know, this year is NASCAR's, I think, is the 75th anniversary. So, wow. I have not seen one of these in eons. The Monte Carlo. Wow. Say that backwards with me. Wow. Is that not cool? Awesome, awesome, awesome. Body in gold colored plating. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much. That's what I can say there. And there was a card in here. Motor City Madness 22 featured first, second, third place. Oh, this is about a show. Detroit area auto modelers, our 63rd show, one of the biggest shows in the Midwest. Sunday, March 26, 2023. Hey, you guys in that area, make plans. And you know, I used to go to Toledo every single year, and this is not that much further north if it's in the Detroit area from Toledo. I don't know about this year, but, well, actually, I don't know that I couldn't. 9 to 3. There's the information. You can pause it and get the information off of it. I would imagine they have a website or a Facebook page, something like that. Show admission's only $5. Wow, that's pretty good. It's in Warren, Michigan. March 26. Again, you guys in the area, make plans. I'm pretty sure they've got tons of vendors. Most big shows do. Motor City Madness 22. And then there's your, and I'll hold that for a second for you too. You got first, second, third place awards for each of the following classes: youth, box stock, factory stock, street machine, street rod, rat rod. Oh man, they got it all covered. Custom lowrider, competition inline. Oh, my drag cars. Competition oval, heavy commercial, first responders, light truck, slammers, curbsides, dioramas. Man, yeah, they got it all covered. Miscellaneous, the judges class. This sounds like a really good show. So again, you guys in the area, go ahead and plan now. And Chris, thank you for that information. Appreciate that much. I'm going to stick that in my other cards here. Well, guys, that's it at the moment. Thank you so much for all of your support as always. If you're not a subscriber, head over, hit that subscription button. Let us know what you think. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Well, guys, thanks so much. Have an awesome week. Remember, God loves you. I love you. You take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.